So we're using a 7-point push as the exercise to train our attention, primarily on the qua, but also globally inside the body. And the attention is always the method to access the chi. So it's basically attention, song, chi. Yep. We pay attention, we song, we get out of the holding and sort of melt the attention in, saturate the ink into blotting paper, which is a song process, and we access chi. And then we become more aware of the chi and try to operate in that way. But the first level is just that your qua are not being stupid, yeah? Being too bound up. So we just do the normal exercise. You come, Fabio. 7-point push, if I can remember it. It's you move. So you song qua, just simple, yeah? You song, just making sure that they're not stiff. And then gradually you become more aware of the qua. And they're just song so I can freely move however I want. Because of the release, the attention, I come into a deeper state, let's say. I become aware of the chi mobilizes. I don't get caught in the physical tension. Yeah? Yeah. Same thing. You just, whatever, it doesn't matter. You just touch any point and I'm song. And I stay. And touch anywhere on the body, I song qua, it goes. And you feel nothing. Emptiness. Straight on. It's not a brace, it's not a stance, it's a quality. You come. Yep. I stay song. No matter where he pushes, anywhere he wants, I stay empty. There's nothing there. You can't touch what I'm doing. I don't brace up around it. I stay released at all times. Yeah? He pushes. He pushes. He pushes. Always the same. I don't contract. My attention saturates. So the E is the key point. The attention is there. The attention melts in, seeps in, song, access chi. If I fall out of attention and become in tension, the doer, the fighter, fight, flight, panic, change, I lose attention, I lose access to chi, I'm not song, I cannot change. Yep? So every basic exercise, we have all these exercises teaching you how to pay attention. Yeah? How to pay attention. The weakness is the weakness of attention. You don't know you're stiff. You don't know you're contracting because you just don't have enough attention. So you build attention each day, like putting money in the bank. You get rich in attention. And when you're rich in attention, you know if you're song or not. Yep. Song is not that hard. Knowing you're not song is hard. Yep. You have to know, and then you can song. You just don't know. And when you become completely song, it's like the body disperses and you access the life inside the body. And then it's truly internal. It's the chi moving inside. Yeah? So this is how we do it.